The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, Burl. Day before Thanksgiving. Markets got up active last night after being very slow in the evening. Hello, Mr. G. See here, NQ dipped and then ripped. Down to 11,730 and only up to 11,785. Really? That's it? Not much of a rip. It's only a 55 point range, which is very tight on NQ. Copper had some fun though. Ain't no fun of copper, it can't have some. About 120 ticks of range. Gold dipped and then came up as well. That looks like about a 13 point range, Ultra Bond. Where's my other yellow line? There it is. You can see how much Ultra Bond's been coming up, but how far down my yellow line was. It looks to be just about 3/4 of a point. Lots of news today. We'll go over that here in a minute. So there we go. Crude dipping again. Dipping dots. Looks like about 3.5 points. And last but not least, natural gas is on fire. About 500 ticks of range. Nice. So that's where we stand. You can see ES popped up all the way up to 40.21, which is, if you look on a daily chart and ignore all the we are higher than we've been since September, over 2 months, when the market dropped fast and hard from CPI. News this morning, lots and lots of news as they try to get a whole bunch of stuff in before the holiday. We have initial jobless claims, which are usually on a Thursday, but they're on Wednesday this week. We have U.S. durable goods. Both of those things happen at 8:30. 9:45, U.S. S&P Services PMI Flash, Manufacturing PMI Flash, Composite PMI Flash. 10 o'clock, University of Michigan Sentiment Final, and U.S. Home Sales. So lots of news, lots of news, lots of news. And then last but not least, well, not actually second last, you have crude oil inventories at 10:30. And then this afternoon, FOMC meeting minutes. So the market is obviously kind of slow overnight, but should have some interesting moves this morning. See, right now we're kind of rangy. Made a nice little move up off that trigger candle right there. 13 up to 17, but 4 points in about a half an hour. Last night was absolutely dead. Just realized I forgot to send out the tweets and everything announcing the stream. Oops. Oopsie. There we go. Okay. So, market. Hopefully no one has to go to the market today because I'm sure stores are going to be crazy. Everybody ready for Thanksgiving? Possibly, yeah. Although this rally doesn't seem to want to die. So, what's everybody thankful for out there? Thanksgiving's tomorrow. So we watch ES kind of pop up here. Pull back a bit. Small candles, 1 point each. Yep. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, left, right, A, B start. It's probably going to be kind of slow and choppy until that news starts hitting here in about 52 minutes. Let's see, 15 minutes. Been struggling to get above there. That was a beautiful reversal candle there on the 15. Mr. G, what are you thankful for? Cool. So, try to dip down here. That's only a tick. Oh, big move up. And by big, I mean all of 6 ticks, but still bigger than we've seen here recently. Let's try to get back up to the high of Globex high day, 40.21 and 3/4. Morning, JC. How are you doing on this fine Wednesday before Thanksgiving? Bad red, or can you recover it? So for those watching for prop firm deals, so far 3 companies have announced that I'm aware of. I didn't see anything else yet. Apex, NinjaTrader, and, well, golly bee, I forget the other one. Hold on. Bowenox. Bowenox is running 70% off. Apex is 80%. And Tick is 60%. And that Tick is nothing special because it that's their normal discount. I should say that's a normal discount, but that's the same thing they did for like 2 weeks ago. There's nothing special about 60%. Oh, yikes! On JC, ouch. Yes, back down to its EMA. Let's see if anything else is doing anything fun. Gold came up and then came right back down. Now sideways. Crude up and trending down. Copper been trending down. Dow sideways. Natural gas been sideways after a very nice move up. BTC, slight trend downward, but been hanging in the 16,500 quite a while. Big move down there on Doge. I'm not sure what's going on with Doge all of a sudden. That's understandable. And dipping back down here. Technically a trigger candle there on ES. Big topping tail there. Kind of watching slow markets until the news. Should pick up then, I assume. At least for a bit. That'd be my assumption. Of hanging right on that EMA. Let's see if it bounces here. Let's finish my thought from earlier that I derailed myself on that because I was looking at something else. Elite Trader Funding has said they will be announcing their Black Friday sales tonight at 1 a.m. Eastern, 12 Central, 10 on the West Coast. They've been building it up for the last day, so it better be good. Still have not heard. Probably will not. Honestly, Earn the Trade probably won't do it till Friday itself, based on what their history says. Uh, Top Step may not do anything at all. Imagine Lilu's gonna do something. Don't know whether Blue Sky will do anything. I'll be watching Blue Sky. But FBS pushing up. Gonna get it back above that wick. Push it up. You profit probably Black Friday as well. Don't know whether Take Profit would do anything extra. Trade Day, I don't know about either. We'll be watching them all here at MightyOxTrading. They'll be all be posted on the Discord. Remember, this is our last stream until Monday. You are actually gonna have to go without me for over 100 hours. I may forget how to stream by Monday. But starting Monday, I should have an account that actually start trading again here on MightyOxTrading. We'll start showing my trades again. We'll ban anybody who decides to attack me. Yep, right back down there on that move on the ES. Did not get it back up to that high from about 10 minutes ago. I'm not going to have it on running on anything that matters. But I'll probably have it running on a sim account, but that's it. Actually, I didn't even turn it on last night. Figure volume's going to be light. ES is just all rangy here. Staying within a 3-point range. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. We're doing pretty good with likes lately. Hopefully that starts boosting us again. After the holidays, I plan on doing more work here on the channel. And we're hanging out. Not much going on. The CNQ is kind of doing the same. These are smaller candles for NQ. Just kind of hanging there. Ultrabot opens up in about 25 minutes. Oh, bit of a move there on the Ultra Bond all of a sudden, though. Look at that candle. All 4 ticks, but hey. I think you'll get it. JC, you seem to be pretty calm most of the time. Kind of up, down, up, down, up, down, slightly downward. Uh, not gonna have any special, not gonna any special drinks for Thanksgiving. Definitely be doing some hot chocolate as it gets closer to Christmas. As we're just kind of boring here as we go toward the top of the hour. A little over 30 minutes until the first of multiple news reports start hitting. Could be a very topsy-turvy day. One that you might want to sit on your hands for. Especially since we're probably, and this is just an assumption, probably have a thinner book today because there's probably not as many people trading. Lots of probablys. Because I don't know. Remember, for those of you in prop firms, markets are open uh, normal time this evening until noon tomorrow Central Time. And the same thing for Thursday night into Friday. But for those of you that have to deal with, consistency rules or days traded, um, it's all Thursday and Friday will count as one trading day. I expected Apex to beat everybody, but ETF hasn't announced theirs yet. They could get close. I don't think anyone else is going to. Well, Lilu's crazy. One time Lilu did a $3 evaluation, so Lilu might do something stupid. Yeah, they said they'll be launching theirs tonight at 1 a.m. Eastern. I will still be up then, so I'll add it to the Discord at that point in time. Hey, Jay, what do you say? How's your day? Wonder how many more times I can rhyme. Morning, Walter. Eh, I usually go to bed around 12:30 a.m. 12:30. I do prefer nighttime, honestly. I've never been a morning person. The fact that I have not overslept at all since I started this stream in these early mornings is amazing. But hey, trading's made me a morning person, even reluctantly. I sleep about 5 hours a night during the week, and then on the weekend I catch up. Or top of the hour. I'll get to sleep a little later tomorrow. I'll get up in time to watch the Macy's parade. Good job, Zabak. That's my eventual goal as well, JC, is to be able to nap in the afternoon. I do that occasionally. Sometimes intentionally, sometimes not intentionally. But so yeah, we are really, really, really just range bound and choppy. Range bound and choppy. And my guess is it's going to stay that way until our news in about 28 minutes. I would never cook an ox, a buck. They're too hard to butcher. You be? That's all rangy too. Interested to see what it does at the open. Agriculture overnight. Move up and then down. Corn up and down. UB trying to come down there for JC down to the level he's looking for. Well, ES is just like hanging laundry on the EMA. Morning, Dave. ES coming down. Ultra Bond still hanging right that same area. Just hanging here, hanging. You can see pretty much a 4-point range, maybe a 6-point if you want to go down to that dip, but really has not been moving much. We do have a uptrend since this pivot really here. Keeps dipping, but keeps going a little higher. But if I drew a trend line, and I don't do trend lines, but if I did one, looks like it's trying to break. Maybe not. Getting close to breaking a trend. Yeah, I don't do trend lines. Sorry. In 1 sec. Okay, back. So yeah, we're still kind of rangy. Gold coming down. Crude coming down. Everything is coming down. Thank you everyone for joining me this morning. It's Thanksgiving. And thank you for everyone joining me on this Thanksgiving Eve. Down to 40.14. This little low here was 40.13.5. Ultra Bond got down. JC, are you getting in at that level there? Hang in. Just kind of sitting here. You see, this is the hourly chart on NQ. How it's tried to grind up all night, but really does not have much range to it. We'll see what kind of range we get here on the news in 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Let's find an ES. I have an ES chart here somewhere. Continuous contract ES. Let's see what kind of range we had last year. You know what that means? We're gonna turn back time. Hardly any range last year on ES. Yeah, it ended up being about 30-point range, I guess. No, it was actually about a 50. I apologize. The candle ended up only 10 points, but it was actually about a 46-point range. Not bad. No, 36. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, 46. So there was some movement. Look at Black Friday. Right here. Black Friday last year saw the market drop 103 points on ES. Wow. That's interesting. Might need to keep an eye on that. Maybe I do need to trade on Friday. Still won't be streaming. See what the Ultra Bond wants to do here. Wonder if Weenie's gonna stream today. Weenie streams today. I will pop over and wish him a happy Thanksgiving. CFT's website. It's like the only thing he has that I don't have is take profit with his 50%, but it seems like that's 50% is normal. Oh darn, JC, because you were right. Nice little move there. So we continue to watch and revate. So looks like the markets kind of think it's coming down for the news, or at least they've started making their way down. Maybe they'll give some room for the news. Who knows? 15 minutes. ES now down to 40.13. Let's blow that back up. You see this little dip down here was down to 40.12 and a quarter. A big dip, then down below that level now, popped right back up to it. Hanging right, you see it hanging right around this previous level. Now next support is down at 40.10 and 3/4. And just kind of hanging here at that exact level right now. Ultra Bond opens in a couple minutes. We'll go over and check that out right now. Kind of watching what the indices are doing with NQ. See what the Ultra Bond does there. There's the open for the Ultra Bond. It dips down, not drips down. See NQ also kind of dipping there. Dipping dots. But not much of a movement here so far. There's a three or four ticks. Yeah, ES down below that level we talked about there. Next one is 08 or 07. Oh, nope, 08. 08. Yep. 10 minutes till news. Ultra. Hey, Ultra Bond selling off. Indices selling off. ES down to 40.10. That's that level I just talked about. Well, no, 48. Sorry, no, it's not. 40.08. Yeah, I'm wondering the same. It'd be interesting to see what happens to the news this morning. Ultra Bond, quick move down to 135.10. Morning, Kim. Excuse me. Back, guys. I'm back. Sorry, I've got quiet. Got some things going on here. I apologize. Huh. I've not seen where it's been yelling at me for once today. The internet, it seems to be good. I haven't had Click Live. We're waiting for news here. Okay, bouncing there on 135.05. Yep, news in about 2.5 minutes. So we have a couple minutes here. About 90 seconds really until the news. Here we go. Let's go to our watch NQES at the same time here. As news is about to hit in 20 seconds. News, little dip. Oh, gold. Down 10 points. Wow, look at gold. Gold dipped 15 points, came back up by 10. NASDAQ not doing much. ES ripped up to 12 and then back down. Gold's coming all the way back up. Crude didn't care. No, not really doing much here. Let's see what the news says. Jobless claims 240K. Expected was 225K. Durable goods 1%. Expected was 0.4%. Core durable goods 0.5%. Expected was 0. Continuous jobless claims 1.551 million. Expected was 1.52 million. So numbers were not horrible. Not real big of a difference. Wow, look at that. Look at that candle on gold. Well, we'll continue to watch, see what this does. Back. And now the market falls. As the market falls, so are the days of our lives. No. ES coming back down. Remember, this is not our last bit of news today. We have more news coming 15 minutes after the bell, and then a half an hour after the bell. Coming back up, back to our ES chart here. So it initially popped 3.25, came back down, and you can see here it hit the same area here, maybe a little bit below it, I guess. Yeah, down to 4,007, but now it's all wonky. Wonky is an official trading term. Back to green. I mean, if this wasn't right off news, I'd say that's a great reversal candle there, but it's all weird right now, so. After that big move down, it's trying to get it back. But definitely don't plan on, yeah, I would, even if I was trading this, I wouldn't be trading this. Yep. Coming back down here a little bit. Watching this. We have about 54 minutes until the bell now. See what this wants to do. Everything else is doing that. Let's see, gold. So gold ended up green on that 5-minute candle. That was probably a pretty wild 1-minute candle. Let's look at that. F. That was quite the candle. Let's see something. Let's have fun with Bollinger Bands, folks. So let's see how far down that went. Let's play Bollinger Band 3. And let's put in a 7. Wow. Let's put a 10. That went like 13 standard deviations Bollinger Band dip there. Wow. That's quite impressive. And then came back up. So would have been a good play off of it. Came up by, after this candle, came up by 5 points. See NASDAQ on the 5, up and then down. Going back that whole candle there. ES continuing to push. Down, crude pushing down. Bitcoin dipping a bit. Looks like we're still trending downward after the little bit of craziness. We watch on this day before Thanksgiving. Morning, Speed Racer. So, has anyone taken any trades this morning yet? Besides JC. ES continuing to push, try to push down. Got down to 4,007 even on the news. It's about 6 ticks away. And there it goes. There's the low of the morning. Wow, big fall here. NQ down 15. ES down 4.5 on that candle. Take a look where we at now. We are at the low of day. Yeah, this is the new low of day. And let's see if we dip under 4,000. Little bounce there. Kind of riding the Bollingers down. And watching it. 4,004 is where we're at. Oh, crude fell as well. Oh yeah, crude's down below 78 again. Gold's falling. Everything's falling. Not afraid of falling. So I guess the market decided that they did not like the news. Remember, lots more news coming up in exactly 1 hour. Back. Pound. I thought I had a pound chart here somewhere. Oh, maybe it's under copper. Copper's almost at its daily low. There's the pound. Yeah, pound's heading up nicely here. I don't trade the pound, so I don't really know. Yeah. Wow, pound's at, well, okay. If we can get above this spike going from the 15th, it's at levels it hasn't seen since it's August. Q continuing to fall. ES continuing to fall. Is ES going to break 4,000 here? I know Burl's watching ES at the 4,000 level. Little bounce. Popping up. Nice little bounce. So did not get down to 4,000. Got down to 4,002 even. Pop back up to 4,006. See if it's a sustain or just a little pull up. Not a big hit now. Crude done did a bounce as well. Done did. Yeah, I'm talking good. Apparently I will not be having turkey tomorrow for Thanksgiving, as apparently my oven is not working. Just found that out here during that little bit of a quiet session a couple minutes ago when I muted. So looks like my Thanksgiving is not going to be that wonderful. Ultra Bond coming up after a dip. I do not have a deep fryer. Absolutely. Everyone that doesn't like my channel, feel free to go over to Weenie. Although I don't even know if he's streaming today. You also have Trading with Travis. He's a newer channel. He's trying to get up over 1,000 subscribers. I don't know. He doesn't. Seems like he doesn't stream every day, but he's definitely an option at some days. Trading with Travis, Weenie Trades. Both options if you do not like MightyOxTrading. No, no. Actually, gold lost $17.05 and then regained it all. Well, actually, I'm not. Let me look at the gold chart. That was the gold chart on the 1 minute. It lost 19, 29, 30. It lost 15 points there on that 1 minute, but that literally all happened within 10 seconds and it came back. Well, no, I don't really care, guys. You know, this little group of you guys that all come in together and leave together, you know, your guys are often you're talking about bodily functions. You're talking about weird stuff, and it's I don't really care if you guys leave. I'm happy with my group that actually likes being here, that doesn't complain. Mr. G and Ace and Kim and Burl and all that. But I mean, my channel brings in about $1 a day, 60 cents a day in ad revenue. So it's not like if you guys leave, it's gonna break the bank for me. Morning glitch. I mean, every morning you guys come up with some sort of poop comment. I've gotten a little sick of that one. It's like I'm streaming to a bunch of adults and then a bunch of like second graders. That, Kim, that was an awesome pun, even though I know you didn't mean it. Well, honestly, I mean, yep, almost top of the hour, 5 minutes away, 35 minutes on the bell. Did bounce there. You see NQ coming up. ES got down to 4,002, is popping up to 4,007 for almost 4,008. Terry just got himself banned. Good morning, John. Welcome. How was your business trip or whatever that was yesterday? Ouch. Wow. So I assume no trading last night then either. Get any trading in yet this morning? Popping up. Gold pop back up. Nice job, John. Yeah, this day is absolutely littered with news. So any program that has news rules are definitely, it's like a minefield. Good morning, Ace. I'm not done banning them one by one. Yep, 3 gone so far. Yeah, I've finally gotten sick of this group. I got a good core of people. I don't need them. Top of the hour. ES popping back up. Crude opens up with a move down, 22 ticks. ES trying to push up. Remember, folks, got the bell in half an hour, a bunch of news in 45 minutes, and then even more news in an hour. Scriptwriter, I haven't seen you around in forever. Morning, Tay. My Discord or Earn a Trade Discord? I haven't seen you. I don't think I've seen your name on my Discord. By the way, Rakuten this morning is hosting a 90-minute day trading training session. It's 200 spots available. Password is World Cup. Well, maybe I shouldn't have said that because that was sent to me. Oops. Pushing up. So, how you doing today, Ace? Sorry, got caught up in the shenanigans. Y'all ready for Thanksgiving? It's amazing how many names I see from this group. I've often wondered whether it's not like 1 or 2 people changing identities. Eh, well, apparently my oven's not working, so apparently I'm not going to have any turkey. ES pulling back down a bit. I actually called them second graders, Ace, so you went a little higher. Pulling back down. I think nowadays I believe a second grader can do that. Weenie hasn't been streaming much, and I'm not exactly sure why. I haven't talked to him. I know he wants to do some more collabs. I guess he was streaming privately, like last week or something like that. I don't know. Bitcoin dipped a bit, coming back up. ES pushing up. I believe that's high today. I'm sorry, not ES. Excuse me, Ultra Bond. It is. Wow, it's quite the high today. Kind you making, Ace? Thank you, Joshua. I do try to be laid back, but I don't ever see these guys actually talk much about trading. It's just I don't. Seems like they go from room to room. So I know they've been in beginning trading or beginner trader, whatever that is, and Weenie and here and other places, and they all seem to coordinate together to jump on and jump out at the same time. It's just weird to the point that I've often wondered whether it's like just a handful of people with a whole bunch of different IDs. Because that day that I got up to 52 likes with all of them, somehow I don't know why, but it ended up going back down to 40. Like YouTube corrected something there. Oh yeah, I know. And sometimes we'll get into other topics, especially on the evening streams when it's more boring. I don't mind other topics, but the juvenile talk about poop and the talk like the other day when someone asked about his kid doing whatever his kid was doing and all that. I feel like it's just being made up stuff to try and get a rise out of me, and I don't need that here. So I'll just start eliminating it. Yeah, I know. I've been there for that. Heck, I've been talking with him live and actually commentated for a bit while he was gone. on his channel. We'll talk about other things besides trading. Like, I mean, right now it's boring. So we've talked baseball. We've talked. The only, it's just the juvenile stuff I don't like, and uh, obviously we always ban politics and religion. But other than that, you know, Ace and I have talked about him taking out the trash in a robe and all that. Have a great Thanksgiving, JC. We'll talk to you Monday. Dakota, where have you been? I've been worried about you. Hey, Borneo. Uh, I believe that the contract rolls. Uh, I think the roll you should roll by the 11th of December, I believe, and the contract will expire on the 16th. So mainly that first week of December is when people will start rolling. Getting it delivered, Judah, or are you sitting in the Denny's restaurant talking? Uh-oh. They let Dakota say Happy Thanksgiving, and then they put them back wherever they have. It's understandable, Dakota. Just next time tell us, please, because I worry about people when they just disappear. We've talked about you a couple of times, wondering if you were okay. It's definitely good seeing you, Dakota. Unfortunately, we lost touch with a bunch of longtime viewers. Vincent Nieves was here every day for the first several months of the stream and then just disappeared out of the blue. Andrew Gibson, I haven't seen in months. No, I don't think I ran them off. But if they found something they prefer, that's fine. The thing is with trading, I mean, the thing is with the internet itself is you easily lose track of people. It's not like your next door neighbor. If you don't see him in the week, you call an ambulance to check on him. You lose track of people easily. And with trading, the thing is that at times, people just decide to quit or take a break. And oftentimes they don't convey that message that they're quitting or taking a break, especially if they quit in frustration. So you never know. And that it is one of the things about the internet as a whole that it's kind of a shame. You talk to someone daily, and then all of a sudden they're not there, and you have no other way to contact them to find out, you know, are they okay? Did something happen? Did they die? Did they become a Buddhist monk? You don't know. Totally understand the Dakota, and I absolutely respect that. Good morning, Sheriff. uh, yeah, we're still working on the GoFundMe to get uh, Ace some therapy there. See, ES is just very choppy right now. Everything's kind of choppy. Excuse me a minute. And so we are about 15 minutes from the bell. Yep. Yep, that's a good reminder, Gossip. And also remember for those prop firms, Thursday and Friday, if you actually trade those days, will be considered as one trading day on, I believe, every prop. So, if you have to trade a minimum 10 days, 15 days, or whatever for your evaluations, that day the Thursday and Friday will count as one trading day together. It's also why, no matter what Black Friday sales come out, you probably should wait until Sunday so you're not losing days to actually start buying them. That way you start your trading day, your trading days off without losing a day there. Now, it is a month long, so you're going to lose a trading day for Christmas, but hopefully that won't matter. Hopefully you'll have it in the bag by then. Actually, I'm not sure what Christmas is. I got to look, because Christmas falls on a Sunday. So I got to figure out what that whole schedule is. NASDAQ popping up here a little bit before the bell. Yeah, you could put a micro on Thursday at 6 p.m. Now credit for but yeah, right. I mean, you could put a micro on tonight after 6 p.m. and that'll count for Thursday and Friday because it's all one day. You're welcome. And popping up. So hanging out here around 4,008. Bitcoin falling back under, no, right around 16.4. We're 8 minutes till the bell. So there's a dip on the indices. ES down a point and a quarter. So waiting for the bell. Market's slowed down here, kind of sine waving around the EMA. Drama seems to have stopped as well. I was definitely short on drama there. Down. Excuse me, 1 second. Back. No, I've never really heard that. Yeah, bro, I've never heard that before. Big move down there on Nasdaq. 10 points. We head into the open. ES. Go to a 5-minute chart. Oops. I went to a 15-minute chart. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. Going to town? Yeah, the ones that are like out in the farming communities. Yeah, they'll say that they're heading into town when they come into, when they're gonna go into the city. So as we head into the open here, 11,750 ish for Nasdaq, 4,005 ish for ES. 30 seconds. No, usually it's just Walmart, not the Walmart. No, I've never heard that one either, bro. Ding, 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 ding. But I have heard the Walmart, but that's not much. I haven't really heard that around here. I've heard that on Jeff Foxworthy's stuff though. Yeah, just kind of hanging right around 750, not moving much yet. Up and down. And ES rising up here about 4 points. NQ about 12. It's trying to get some oomph. It's really still oomhless. No, I've never heard that one either. That's a good one. 12 points here, NQ, ES, just 3. Nope, never heard that either, Burrow. Six points on ES, only 12 on NQ. Got about a minute and 15 seconds on this opening 5-minute candle. Definitely not like rocking our socks. Rooster or no rooster. Nope, that one's new to me as well. So this candle's going to close here now. Up 8.5 on ES. Up 18 and 3/4 on NQ. ES showing more strength than NQ there. Let's go back to our 1-minute chart. There's actually a beautiful trigger candle there on the 1-minute. I don't usually take trigger candles on the one, but you can see there it would have could have led to 7+ points. It's been dangerous though, because you can see none of these triggers would have really worked as a little sine waving around until this breakout to the upside. Remember, we have news in 10 minutes. PMI flashes. We're gonna get flash, people. Kim. Looks like Weenie's not streaming today, and it looks like Travis isn't streaming today. Oh, nope, Travis has started streaming. Yeah, I've heard Jeet before, on like TV or whatever, somewhere, but it's not something I hear people around here say. Now, in Pennsylvania Dutch country, down around the Amish areas, you have a lot of funny phrases there too. Like for turn off the light, it's out in the light. Did you out in the light? No. Yes, continues to pop up. And like for raining, lightly raining, spritzing. Grexing is for like whining and complaining. Like we had a whole bunch of Grexers earlier. Spritzing. It's spritzing out now. As ES continues to head up. Oh, big move up here. Trying to get back up to high day. 40.21, that was the high of Goldbacks. 40.21.75 to be exact. Morning, CBR. How are you doing? I think Ace went to go bank his pies. He never did tell me what pies he was making. No RJ today. Just realized that, unless I missed him at some point. Maybe? Hasn't quite got to the top, but it's close. I don't see this rally lasting, but it might. I wouldn't bet against it either. I would, if I was trading, I would not like take a short here until it confirmed it for me. But maybe pulling down here. Look at the Ultra Bond just running slowly. Saw where I moved this earlier. Look how much I got to move it now. Almost 2 point, well, about a point and a half in range. RJ, happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for stopping in. See you on Monday. They probably outsource their support. Yes, how you doing? Okay, remember, we got news in 90 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Haul out the holly. Where you been this morning, Chris? Are you taking the day off, or 30 seconds until we get flashed by PMI? Always fun. That had to be fun the day before Thanksgiving. Here we go. 10 seconds till news. Big boom. Gold. NASDAQ. ES up 11 points there. NQ up 35, gold up 4. Pulling back just tad. We just hit new high day, but pulling back fast. Let's go quickly see what we can find the news. See what this wants to do here. U.S. composites. I'm sorry. U.S. S&P services 446.1. Expected was 48. Manufacturing PMI flash 47.6. Expected 50. Service, I mixed them up. Composite 46.3. Expected 48. University of Michigan sentiment is coming up in 15 minutes. So that was a huge move up and then quickly got beaten back down. And that candle turns red now, NASDAQ. You see it's giving it all back here on the ES. So we got up to 40.28. Which if we look on a daily chart here, I believe I still have a... let's go to a daily chart. Where are we? Holy crap. How did I get all the way back to April? So that little rip wasn't that big of a deal, I guess. We are over yesterday. And we got up to... back up to what we saw on the 15th, but nowhere near the highs there. So not that big of a deal. Pulling back down. Here's ES trying to continue to push up. ES is hanging around this previous high back here about a little before 5 a.m. Eastern. Nice job, Chris. So looks like most of the news this morning has missed its expectations. So of course the market's going higher. Get back up to where it was there on that pop, climbing up. Yep. We will not be streaming for the FOMC meeting minutes. We have a regular FOMC meeting 10 days before Christmas on the 14th of December. About 10 days before Christmas Eve. That should be a fun week as well because I believe that week will also have CPI. So yeah, we're going to have CPI and FOMC in the same week. A week from today, a week from Friday is non-farm payrolls. Remember, no stream tomorrow, obviously. No stream Friday. Tomorrow I'll be watching the Macy's parade. And Miracle on 34th Street. Pull back, but pushing right back up. Ultra bond continues to rise. Hourly candle there on NQ, 76 points. Completely dwarfing the entire price action of the rest of the day. Trying to get above this area back here from last Friday. High that day was 11,843. We're at 11,834 now. See if it's pushing up. Reminder for those of you that might be looking to pick up evaluations from any of the props, MightyOxTrading Discord will be following all the sales. So far, 3 have announced. Tick Tick, Bowen Ox, and Apex. ETF will be announcing tonight at 1 a.m. Eastern Time. I expect Earn to Trade won't announce till Friday. Not sure about the others. A little over an hour to go in stream. Then you won't see or hear from me here on YouTube for over 100 hours. Glad to hear that, Dakota. Have a happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you on Monday. Glad to see you again. Thank you for stopping in today. I did not have it turned on today for any of the accounts that matter. John and I won't have it on for Thursday or Friday. I'll have the test sim accounts with it, but I won't be running it on my funded accounts. Started back up Sunday night. Though I looked last year on Black Friday, ES lost 100 points, went down 100 points. So that might be a huge, it has potential to be a huge day. I was glad I didn't run it last night, because last night it was really rangy all night. I mean, well, evening for Asia. Right. The big difference between, with Volanox, you can get the end of day drawdown versus the constantly trailing. And that might be some of it, but I mean, some of those guys claim they're in their 40s and 50s. Gossip. I don't know. Like I said, I've always kind of suspected because they all show up at once. They show up as a group, like 15 to 20 names. And it's just weird. I've always wondered whether or not it was like just a couple of people all like switching IDs. because most of them only ever say one or two things, and then you don't hear from them again. And then you see when they all leave together because the viewership goes down by a number. I know they were all over on beginning our beginner trader, his stream, and they moved over here, and I've seen them on other streams as well. So it's like they like just stream hop. But I've seen it like in the afternoon on another stream. It's always been kind of weird. And they mostly don't talk about trading, or if they do talk about trading, it's to criticize my methods and to praise a couple of other people's methods. So it's like, just eventually I got sick of them. You know, I don't mind being criticized. Don't get me wrong. You know, obviously I don't think I'm a great trader at all, but it's just they seem to be here more to disrupt than anything else. Which is why I say if they want to decide that they want to, not come here, I'm fine with that. Hey, FK, how you doing? So like I say, if they stop supporting the channel, if they stop coming here, it's not gonna hurt me in any way. I average about 75 cents a day from YouTube ad revenue. So, if that dips, like it's not gonna be anything. ES dipping down, got back up to looks like it got to a new high today, 40.29, and now dipping. Yeah, housing's coming down. This is going to mean that once it bottoms, a lot of people are going to get rich that can afford to buy up the inventory. Have a great Thanksgiving. Gossip, we'll see you on Monday. Yeah, it's a shame they had to be banned, but I prefer I prefer a comfortable stream than constantly feeling uncomfortable in my own stream. So it is what it is. Pushing down here. So got up to 40.29. Oh, bounced. Never mind. Thought we were gonna break through, but nice bounce. Oh, there we go. Wow, big move. Oh yeah, 9 o'clock news. I forgot the last round of news. Big move down here on ES. 5 points. And let's see what that news was as we watch ES fall. University of Michigan sentiment final actual 56.8. Forecast was 55. I'm assuming that's good. U.S. new home sales actual 0.632 million. The forecast was 0.57 million, so that was a beat. Doji candle there, kind of not doji, but got big wicks up and down. It's indecisive. How the currency's doing, Wiser? And we're bouncing up. Or it's trying to bounce up. On NASDAQ. ES. Also trying to bounce up. So it hated the news, now likes the news. Sometimes the market can be bipolar. $40.25 is where we're at here. If anything else is doing anything fun, let's see if gold did anything with that news. Gold really didn't care about that news. It's been coming down after hitting 1748. But not really going anywhere right now. What did agriculture do at the open? Up and down. Hi, Hip Hop TV Dallas. No, we welcome everybody. I'm sure there's plenty of people here in their 20s that are. You're fine, dude. All ages welcome. As long as you're not wanting to talk about poop and masturbation, we're good. Yes. Hold on one second. Just hanging here around 40.26. Boost up there. 40.30. But if anyone ever doesn't like my stream, don't feel like you have to stay, obviously. There's plenty of options. Weenie's one, and here's another one. This guy stopped in on my evening stream the other day. He stopped in a couple of times on the streams here. He's trading with Travis. It looks like he's an MES trader. He's been streaming pretty regularly the last few weeks. Yep. He's really near 1,000, so 1,000 subs, so he could definitely use a boost. Go over there and you like him better. I'm certainly not going to get offended. Meanwhile, my cat has decided he wants his back rubbed. We hit 40.30 there, I think. Yeah, 40.31 and a quarter. Yeah, Chris is mostly an NQ trader. Pulling back. Dropped about 5 points from the high there. And so we're done with news now except for crude oil inventories. Those are in 20 minutes. Cat sitting next to me on the arm of the chair, studying the charts. Wait for him to tell me whether I should go long or short. How's everyone's P&Ls today? We've made it through all the news. It really hasn't been a wild day either way. News, caused a couple of wild candles, but still nothing major. Nice, Chris. Excellent, Speed Racer. Nice. So, market's just kind of losing some oomph here as we approach 10:30-ish. See if it reverses on us here. It's been a nice uptrend, you can see here. Since the open, it came up about 20 points, 22 points really. See if we get that reversal that happens around 10:30 often. There's a pullback. Trying to send a trigger candle there. So, made a new high there, came down, consolidated, now pushing down. Yeah, I'm thinking that might be our high day as well. Have a great Thanksgiving. I'm about to sell high. We shall see you on Monday. Don't eat too much. Don't spend too much money. Oops, sorry. Didn't mute my yawn there. Sorry. Oh, I'll be back again someday. Watching it came down here. Okay, let's see what it's kind of bouncing here though. Appreciate that reminder, Ace. If you guys would mind hitting that like button. Shockingly, I got no dislikes. I thought for sure after those incidences earlier today, someone will be hitting a thumbs down, but so far, all good. You never, Ace, you never said what kind of pies you're making. Uh, Back up. This looks like it wants to come back down. We'll see though. I don't know. Matt Ace likes his carbs, and I mean to be honest, I'm breaking keto for Thanksgiving. uh, Staying alive, staying alive. Huh, 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 huh. Staying alive. Is your A1C better, Matt? We're all sideways here now. Oh, that's wonderful. Very good. I always, I go a little bit easier on the whole keto thing during the holidays. I will have my stuffing and mashed potatoes and pumpkin pie, but probably also do some apple cider vinegar before the meal. We're hanging right on our EMA here. Anything else doing anything fun here? Got crude oil inventories in about 6 minutes. Gold sideways. Yeah, I'm noticing things are tasting sweeter as well. But not as much as you probably have noticed, because I still, unfortunately, diet soda is one thing I have not been able to give up, so I still get the constant sweet taste in my mouth. Yeah, I I just about everything I drink is sugar-free, sweetened with those with the chemicals that I really need to cut out. Ooh, we're trying to get back up the high here on ES. I need to start drinking water, plain water. Mm. Got back up to 40.30. The high was 40.30 and a quarter, so we're 5 ticks away. See what it wants to do here. Hang in here, right at 40.29. Gold still dragging down the 77s. I'm sorry, crude, not gold. Copper's all over. Ultra bond continuing to try and move up. Another new high day. Big range on the ultra bond now today, about over 2 points. About 30 minutes ago in the stream. So, this being Thanksgiving tomorrow, I do want to say that I am thankful for all you that make doing this stream fun. I appreciate you all that stop in here, whether it's daily or just every now and then, and support the stream and, you know, support me and have made this whole streaming thing a success. You know, I enjoy seeing, talking to you all each day, and I really do appreciate what you all have done for me. We hang right at 40.30. Thank you, Ace. Yep, market's lost oomph. We do have crude oil inventories in 1 minute. So I can watch to see what that does down here to crude. See, I'm sorry, it's now. I was a minute off. There we go. Crude dumping big. 55 ticks. Inventories must have been, I don't even know. Let's look. Crude oil inventories actual negative 3.691 million. The forecast was negative 2.614 million. I think that's a miss. Gasoline inventories. Poor miss. Oh, the natural gas inventories today as well. That happens at noon. For those, if anybody plans on trading tomorrow night for Asia session, be very careful as Japan CPI comes out tomorrow about 6:30. So don't be there trading and be surprised with a belly full of turkey and get shocked by some sort of weirdness because Tokyo released their CPI numbers. Our crude came all the way back up and now going back down again. Meanwhile, there's ES trying to once again test high day. And new high day. So both me and buy low, sell high were wrong about 40.31 being the high. New high 40.32.25 NQ. Also at its high day 11.873. $40.33.25 new high. See if this is where it reverses. Let's see if we get that 1030 reversal. Bitcoin also kind of oomphless. We have lean hogs coming down after a nice move up. Gotta love those hogs. I hear the train coming. I didn't meet it. It wasn't real loud. I mean, it had the loud horn, but I didn't really hear much else. Must not been much traffic in the way. I let the train sounds come through. I know there's a few people that actually like hearing them. Rod, he's not here today. He mentions he likes hearing it too. So I let those sounds come through. "25 minutes to go here. Market is losing oomph, but it didn't just make that new high, 40.33 and a quarter. Let's see if it comes back down now. Let's see if this is a reversal. I've said that a few times now, which is why I don't trade reversals, because if I try to guess where the reversals are going to happen, it would not be good. Tomorrow, the start of the holiday season. Another year has flown by. I'll get the stream decorated over the weekend. Alright, Ace. Just don't break anything. Gotta get those pies baked. Hey, Glitch, how's things going? That's awesome. Ace, what's your problem, Glitch? Good luck on that. Chris? Hearing more and more people have issues with that Apex, new Apex server. Um, you should probably get in contact with Apex's support. I don't have any solutions for that. I have not dealt with their new dedicated server there, and it's actually one of the reasons I'm hesitant to go over to take advantage of Apex's sale, because I'm hearing more and more people having issues with that server. Matt, because you're a computer genius. You're the person we come to with all our problems. But yeah, I had someone send me a message on Discord yesterday saying he couldn't get in either. He said he can't get connected to anything besides NinjaTrader. He couldn't get connected to MotoWave, Quant Tower, or anything else. Yeah, he was here for a quick minute, Ace. He just stopped in to say Happy Thanksgiving and said said see you Monday. And he did actually address you. He said, let's roll back. Ace, feed those kids whatever you want. I won't be by this week. It's coming down a little bit now for you there, Chris. I thought about telling that guy to join the Discord, and I don't think he's on my Discord. He sent me a private message and asked you about it, but I send too many people to you already, Matt, who have problems, so I just said contact Apex support. I'll send that information to him, Matt. Oh, but okay, Matt. He was saying he can't seem to get connected to anything besides NinjaTrader. Do you know anything about that? He can't. It won't allow him to connect to like MotoWave or Quant Tower. Have you tried connecting to anything besides NinjaTrader? Have a great weekend, Chris. Happy Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much. Happy Black Friday. Don't spend too much. We'll see you Monday. But I know you did have Quant Tower, Matt. Did you have you played with that at all? I mean, you don't. Obviously, I don't want you to go through trouble, but I know. I have no idea. I have not messed with Apex since they got their Rhythmic server. I'm curious. Ace, is there an Ace Trades 1, Ace Trades 2, Ace Trades 3, and an Ace Trades 4? I used to have like 100 Android devices, and they all had their own email. A bit of a dip here. Pretty big dip, actually. Oh yeah, that was quite the reversal candle there on ES. There we go. So it hit 40.38, and then that's probably our reversal. I bet you that's going to be our high of day. Try to crawl back up. I'm pretty sure you can, Chris, but just be very careful because the volume is going to be extremely light. Take the day off, take the weekend off, or at least take tomorrow off. Friday could be interesting because, like I said, last year it looks like the market came down huge. Let's see what NQ did last year. It's turn back time. Back time. NQ. G-Man. Holy crap. I haven't seen you in forever. How you doing? NASDAQ came down 315 points last Black Friday. But the Black Friday from 2 years ago, NQ went up 100 points. It's not that big of a move. Yeah, just be careful if you're going to trade tomorrow and Friday. I have no plans on letting my algos trade or doing any trading myself. Like I said, tomorrow I'll be watching the Macy's parade and then Miracle on 34th Street. Yep, ES sitting at 40.30. It actually just hit that 40.30.25. Nice call there, Ace. There's a point. Once again, last reminder, MightyOxTrading Discord, we will be uh, updating all the various prop firms, Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales on the Discord. Probably send out a few tweets about them as well. But if you want to keep up with the evaluation companies, their sales, we will be doing that on MightyOxTrading Discord. So far, only 3 have really announced: Bullinox, Apex, and TickTick. ETF will be announcing late tonight. So version 1.126.11 of Quant Tower. 1 second on that there. There you go, G-Man. I did your verification manually, G-Man. You don't need to worry about it. You should have full access now. ES. So ES gave Ace on his sim a point and a half. It's now coming back down. Do I use Quant Tower? I use it as a backup if I have too many Rhythmic accounts. It's very rare, but I will pass that. Matt, I appreciate you checking on that. I'll pass that along to, what's his name? He comes in here every now and then as well. Thomas. Thank you, G-Man. The Discord's been around for like I think 7 weeks now. I still have a lot of work I want to do to it, especially for the new people area and stuff. Get some other things going for the community. Not sure. I have not checked out Take Profit. And now Quant Tower, there's a free version and a paid version. I'm not so. I would also not be sure which one they provide. I use Quant Tower's free version when I use it. The crude after inventories plopped down, came back up, down, up. It's kind of all over the place. Got all the way down to under 77. Yes. Again, trying to bounce up here. Slow grind on gold. Copper's been all over. And Bitcoin and hanging again right around 16.4. Yep, market's lost oomph. It's an oomphless market. We have no more oomph. Thanks, man. See you Monday. Have a great weekend. I guess since you're a bear, I should say have a good hibernation. A long, long time ago. So, guys, I think this is where we're going to wrap up for the day, the week. As always, I thank everyone for being here, and I'm very thankful for all of you. Uh, last stream of the week. I hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy friends and family and food. Everyone has a great Black Friday if you're going to spend some money and do some shopping. Remember to have fun with it. Have a great weekend. Of course, I'll be around on the Discord. For those of you that are on the Discord, which means not Ace. But I'm around the email too if anyone needs anything. So, seriously, guys, have a great weekend, great holiday. And we will see you back here Monday morning, bright and early at 7:30. Have a great Thanksgiving, Kim. And of course, Ace gets his 2 sim points. Have a great one. We could talk about paper chart subscriptions next week. Thank you all. I truly mean that. This Thanksgiving, I am thankful for all of you. See ya next week. Or on the Discord. I'll be on the Discord all weekend. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.